Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best dash cameras based on real-world performance, features, and overall value. I've tested each of these myself, and I'll be ranking them in ascending order, starting with my 5th pick and revealing my number 1 best dash cam at the end. If you're looking for the best dash cam for your car, whether for daily driving, rideshare safety, or just peace of mind, this list has something for every budget and need. And if you want to check out any of these dash cams for yourself, I've dropped links to all of them in the description below, so be sure to check those out. Coming in at number 5 is the Rove R2, a solid and reliable option that punches above its weight. It features decent 1440p video quality, a 150-degree wide-angle lens, and built-in GPS to log your speed and location. With Wi-Fi connectivity, transferring your footage to a smartphone is quick and easy. No cables needed. The Rove R2 supports up to 512GB microSD cards, giving you plenty of recording space. Unlike battery-powered dash cams, it uses a supercapacitor for improved reliability, especially in extreme hot or cold climates. Other useful features include loop recording, a G-sensor that locks footage during sudden impacts, and a parking mode for when your car is unattended. It also performs well at night thanks to a wide f1.8 aperture lens. The interface could be more intuitive, but the 2.4-inch LCD screen is clear and easy to navigate once you get the hang of it. Number 4 is the Scoscha Next C1, a fantastic choice if you're shopping on a budget. This dash cam records in 1080p Full HD with a 140-degree wide-angle lens and uses a Sony Starvis image sensor, which makes a noticeable difference in low-light and night driving conditions. One standout feature is its integration with the Nexar Safe Driving app, which gives you cloud storage, automatic incident saving, and easy access to footage. It includes a G-sensor, manual event tagging button, Wi-Fi for quick transfers, and parking mode protection. It supports up to 256GB microSD cards and comes with everything you need to install it: suction cup mount, car charger, and cables. It's compact, simple, and gets the job done. A great entry-level choice without breaking the bank. In the 3rd spot, we have the Rove R3, a more advanced and complete 3-channel dash cam setup. It records from the front, rear, and cabin, making it a great option for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants total coverage. The front camera shoots in 1440p, while both the rear and cabin cameras record in 1080p. It has a sleek 3-inch IPS touchscreen for easy navigation, and the built-in GPS logs both speed and route data. With dual-band Wi-Fi, transferring clips to your phone is fast and painless. Like the other Rove models, it uses a supercapacitor, making it durable in any climate. The infrared LEDs on the cabin camera make for excellent night vision inside your car, and its OmniVision 5-megapixel sensor ensures the front footage looks sharp. With support for 512GB SD cards, 24-hour parking mode, loop recording, and a very intuitive companion app, the R3 is ideal for those needing full vehicle surveillance. At number 2 is the Escort M2, a dash cam that doubles as a radar detector companion and a premium smart cam. This camera offers 1080p Full HD footage, day or night, and seamlessly integrates with Escort radar detectors for a full driver alert system. If you already use Escort gear, this one's a no-brainer. It's got built-in GPS for speed and location logging, dual-band Wi-Fi, and access to Escort's cloud platform where you can store, edit, and share clips. One standout feature is the Mayday Emergency Alert, which can notify a contact if you're in a severe accident. It also has parking mode, voice alerts to keep you informed without distracting you, and comes with a magnetic mount that makes setup super simple. The 140-degree field of view covers a wide road area, and it even includes a 16GB microSD card to get you started. It's sleek, smart, and safety-focused, ideal for high-end users. And finally, in the number 1 spot, the Rove R2 Dual. If you want the best dash cam for the money, this one checks nearly every box. It combines a 4K front camera with a 1080p rear camera, giving you crystal clear recordings of both front and back views. The front camera uses a Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor, delivering detailed HDR-enhanced 4K footage, even in low light. The rear cam features a Galaxy Core GC2053 sensor, recording in full HD with strong night vision. It covers 150 degrees in the front and 140 degrees in the rear, uses both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for speedy file transfers, and includes built-in GPS for precise data logging. Compared to the standard R2, the Dual adds that rear camera and upgrades the front sensor. Plus, it comes with a bigger 3-inch IPS display and a 128GB card pre-included. It supports up to 512GB cards, includes multiple parking modes, over-the-air firmware updates, and like others in the series, uses a supercapacitor for reliable operation in any weather. If you don't need an interior camera like the R3 offers, the R2 Dual gives you better value and best-in-class performance for front and rear recording. So there you have it, my top 5 dash cams for this year. Whether you're after something budget-friendly, fully loaded, or the best value combo, there's a great option here for everyone. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward, or if you've had experience with any of these dash cams. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description below if you want to check the latest prices or more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe.